Welcome to Factful Fridays. In the previous video, we highlighted how unauthorized fitments and accessories can lead to serious fire hazards. In this video, let's shift focus to another often overlooked risk: improper parking practices. Avoid parking your vehicle near any sources of fire or flammable materials to ensure safety and prevent potential hazards. Parking your vehicle on dry grass or other combustible materials can lead to ignition from the hot surface of the vehicle. Long-term parking of vehicles can attract rodents, which may bring combustible materials inside engine compartment. It can lead to fire after coming in contact with the vehicle hot surface. Regular inspection and service at authorized dealership is recommended to avoid such failures. Avoid parking near electrical poles and transformers. Sparks generated from the nearby electric transformers can also cause fire to the vehicle. During festive times, enjoy the celebrations safely by parking your vehicles away from the fireworks. And do not burst crackers near the vehicle. These simple steps help prevent potential damage and fire hazard. Stay alert, park smart, because where you park is just as important as how you drive. Watch out for more vehicle safety tips in our upcoming Factful Fridays episode.